Hey, welcome to Vance Tried It. Today we're going to be trying a couple new menu items from Subway. So let's see what we have in the bag. We have a couple of these foot-long wraps and a couple of sauces here. So one of these is a chicken wrap and one of them is a pepperoni wrap. And then I got some honey mustard sauce, and I got some chipotle sauce. And so let's see what one this is here. Rip it open, see what we have. See if I can tell. It's probably the chicken. So let's just see what it's like dry. Yeah, dry is the operative word. They're super dry. Let's see if I dip it in a little honey mustard. What do we have here? So, I can tell you what the problem's going to be with both of these. They're not. Look, it's not bad. It's chicken and a little bit of cheese. And I do mean a little bit of cheese. There's hardly any cheese on here. So I noticed that when they were fixing it. Like there's a little bit of cheese and it's all on one end and then they roll it up. So most of what is wrapped up in here, as you can see, most of this wrap is just superfluous. There's no reason for it. There's nothing right here. There's no cheese. There's no pepperoni. Pretty skimpy. So let's see the pepperoni one. Let's see what it's like. Let's try it with this chipotle sauce. So, these are $3 a piece, but honestly, they're very unimpressive. They just don't put enough stuff in there. There's not enough cheese. I mean, I'd be even fine with the amount of meat that's in there, but you have to have some cheese. You have to have some reason to have all this wrap, because there's nothing on it. It's just bread. It's just like a piece of toast. So, hey, I tried it, so you don't have to.